To add a Zoom link to Google Calendar, start by going to google.com and searching for the Google Zoom Meeting extension. From the search results, click on the Chrome Web Store Zoom Chrome extension. Then click Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, open Google Calendar and select a time. Then click on More Options. Here, you can provide a title, location, and description for the event, and add guests from the sidebar. To make the event a Zoom meeting, click on the option to sign in to your Zoom account, entering your email and password to log in. After logging in, click again to create a Zoom meeting, and select your personal preferences before clicking Continue. Once you've completed these steps, a Zoom link will be generated and added to your Google Calendar event.